We're on the record in the court's arraignment docket. Today's date is January 26th of 2021, and the docket, the arraignment docket began at 9 a.m. Daniel, okay, we're on the record in calls number 320372 and 327718. Both cases are styled the state of Texas versus Daniel Briggs. Daniel Briggs' name was called at or about 9 a.m. He did not answer. He has not appeared in court. The bailiff, Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Daniel Briggs?
Daniel Briggs. Daniel Briggs. No response, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Briggs' name was just called by the court's bailiff. The time is 11:22 a.m. on January 26th of 2021. Mr. Briggs has not answered. He has not appeared in court. A reasonable time has passed to give Mr. Briggs an opportunity to appear in court. The court, however, has been informed that Mr. Briggs called and left a message saying that he was self-quarantining. At this time, the bond forfeiture, let's see, will be on hold, but state, you have any objections?
No objection, Your Honor.
Okay, bond forfeiture will be on hold pending the confirmation of Mr. Briggs quarantining. We're on the record in cause number 322604, the state of Texas versus Seth Richard. Mr. Richard was scheduled to be in court for the court's arraignment docket at 9 a.m. His name was called at about 9 a.m. by the court's bailiff. He has not answered, and he has not appeared in court. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Seth Richard?
Seth Richard. Seth Richard. No response, Your Honor.
Mr. Richards has not answered to the bailiff call. And the time is 11:23 a.m. Therefore, his bond will be forfeited. A warrant will be issued for his arrest. State, you have any objections?
Yes, Your Honor. The notes here state that Mr. Richard is in Veterans Court at this time. I'm not sure whether or not he had noticed that he would need to appear today.
Okay, at this time, we'll put a hold on the bond forfeiture pending the confirmation of the note and whether or not Mr. Richards received notice. We're on the record in cause number 323158, the state of Texas versus Rennie Noah. Mr. Noah was scheduled to be in court for 9 a.m. for the court's arraignment docket. His name was called at about 9 a.m. by the bailiff. He did not appear, well, he did not answer, and he has not appeared in court. Mr. Bailiff, would you call the name of Rennie Noah?
Rennie Noah. Rennie Noah. No response, Your Honor.
Okay, the time is 11:24 a.m. on today's date of January 26, 21. Mr. Noah's name was just called. He did not answer. Reasonable time has passed to give Mr. Noah opportunity to appear in court, and he has not appeared in court. Therefore, a warrant will be issued for his arrest and his bond will be forfeited. State, do you have any objections?
No objection, Your Honor.
Okay. We're on the record in cause number 323704, the state of Texas versus Alexis Abilene. Alexis Abilene was scheduled to be in court for the court's arraignment docket at 9 a.m. Her name was called at about 9 a.m. that she did not answer, and she has not appeared in court. The time is 11:25. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Alexis Abilene?
Alexis Abilene. Alexis Abilene. No response, Your Honor.
Ms. Abilene's name was just called. She did not answer. Reasonable time has passed for Ms. Abilene to appear in court. Therefore, a bond will be forfeited and warrant issued for arrest. State, do you have any objections?
No objection, Your Honor.
All right. We're on the record in cause number 324278-2, state of Texas versus Derek Myers. Okay. Mr. Myers is currently incarcerated. And let's see. We also received confirmation that Tyrone DeRuin is also in cause number 326570, is also incarcerated in Missouri County Jail. And we also received confirmation, well, we pinned the confirmation that Prentice Lane is in custody in the Hardin County Jail. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
We're on the record in cause numbers 326764, cause number 327242, cause number 327386, and cause number 327626. All four cases are styled the state of Texas versus Sharita Washington. Ms. Washington was scheduled to be in court for the court's arraignment docket at 9 a.m. Her name was called at about 9 a.m. that she did not answer. She has not appeared in court. The time is 11:26 a.m. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Sharita Washington?
Sharita Washington. Sharita Washington. No response, Your Honor.
Ms. Sharita Washington has not answered the second time, and she has not appeared in court. A reasonable time has passed to give Ms. Washington an opportunity to appear in court, and she has not appeared. Therefore, a bond will be forfeited and warrant shall be issued for arrest. Do you have any objections?
No objection, Your Honor.
We're on the record in cause numbers 326788 and cause number 327084. Both cases are styled the state of Texas versus Jamaica Dennings. Ms. Dennings was scheduled to be in court for the arraignment docket at 9 a.m. Her name was called at about 9 a.m. by the court. Bailiff did not answer. She has not appeared in court. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Jamaica Dennings?
Jamaica Denning. Jamaica Denning. No response, Your Honor.
The time is 11:27 a.m. on today's date of January 26th of 2021. Ms. Dennings' name was just called again by the bailiff. She did not answer. Reasonable time has passed to give Ms. Dennings an opportunity to appear in court. She has not appeared. Therefore, a bond will be forfeited. Warrant will be issued for arrest. State, you have any objections?
No objection, Your Honor.
Donna Arnold in cause number 326868 was scheduled to be in court. Her name was called at or about 9 a.m. She did not answer. She has not appeared in court. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Donna Arnold?
Donna Arnold. Donna Arnold. No response, Your Honor.
Ms. Arnold's name was called by the court's bailiff. The time is 11:28 a.m. She did not answer. Therefore, reasonable time has passed to give her an opportunity to appear in court. A bond will be forfeited. Warrant will be issued for arrest. Say, you have any objections?
No objection, Your Honor.
Yes. Okay. Barry Byers in cause number 328238.
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Byers is in a place called Centacor.
Okay,
He will be there for 18 months, and the state is requesting a reset past his Centacor release date.
okay. So the state has requested a reset.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, that will be granted.
I have not, I think. it's
CENIKOR.
CENIKOR.
Okay. We'll give her a nice day